Hi. So now let us see NFA for the given language L. Okay. So this is the first example we are seeing how to construct the NFA. So after understanding the theory actually. So as we discussed it, very importantly, when you are constructing the NFA, we no need to concentrate on invalid words actually. See, in this language, we have only these three words. One is empty string and the another one is 10 and 01. So you just concentrate on these three only. You don't bother about other words in the language, which are invalid simply. Okay. So that is why L equal to empty string and another string 01, 10 and a 01. Okay. So now because it is empty string in the NFA, what must be the initial state? That must be the final state. So this is the final state for this empty string actually. And after that, if you observe the remaining two words, one string starting with 1 and another string starting with 0. So from the initial state. So that is why starting with 1, it is going to Q1. And then if you get 0, then it is going to another state Q2. And this must be final state because you are at Q2 means you already have 1, 0, right? That is what. So that is why Q2 must be the final state. Okay. And then if you start with 0, then we are going here, Q3 actually. And then from here, if you get 1, then you are going to Q4. And this must be final state, right? Because you have 0, 1 valid string. So this is what the NFA for this given language. Don't bother about other transitions at every state and other strings actually, invalid strings. So as we discussed in the theory of NFA, non-deterministic finite automata, invalid strings we no need to concentrate actually. Okay, only valid strings we have to concentrate. Okay, and there is no fixed NFA always. Okay, any number of states you can have actually. Okay, so this is what the NFA for this given language L.